Hi there, it's Martin from Mia again. Today we're going to have a look at possibly the most flexible feature of our back office tool for real homes. Basically it allows us to customize our properties with custom fields, so values that we can assign to each property. So for example, the size of a property, that's a field that's already part of the theme, the beds, the number of bathrooms. However, we can add anything you want. So in this case we have added a custom field that's called year built, and this will be you'll see that field on every single property. You have to set the value per property. So how do we do it? We open our back office tool for real homes, and as we'll see on the right hand side there's a new tab here called custom fields, and here's a field that I've added earlier. So this year built is corresponding to the piece of text that comes out here, year built. Okay, and we have to set the value. So let's find property with that value. So it's SP0050 is the property ID, SP0050, and if I see here it's already got the value of 2006. So how do we set this up? First of all, we go into edit in the menu and select preferences, and then on the fourth tab it's custom property fields. This is where we can create anything we want. We can say, I don't know, we've got year built, maybe we want swimming pools. So the number of swimming pools, let's say the description is number of swimming pools. If I add that custom field, now the field description is only for just to remember what this field name actually refers to. So that's already created. We just have to close that dialog. It's saved. Now as you see, every property from now on has this extra field. You won't see it in the table on the left hand side in the properties table. It's not part of that. It's a new custom field over here. And let's look at another property just so we can see. Let's take a random one. Again, every single property now has both the year built and swimming pools. So we're going to set it for this one property, 0050, and we're going to say number of swimming pools 1. Okay, and the good thing is, okay, so a little icon here flashes when it's saved. Now we can just copy this piece of code direct from that text box, go into our favorite FTP editor, FTP client, and open whichever file we want to add it to. So let's say we want to add it as a meta tag. Okay, so that's one of these little boxes here on the top, bathrooms, bedrooms, year built. Let's add another one. So I've already edited my file, property metas. I'm just opening a text editor, and this is a little piece of code we want. It includes a little bit of styling, so let's just stick that here. So swimming pools. So what it's saying here is get the new field, this custom field, swimming pools, and it says echo. We just want to print out the value to the website wherever we tell it. So we're in this metas, so it's going to come out as a meta. So first of all, I'm just going to echo a little span. That's a little piece of HTML. That'll allow it to format nicely. Again, it's kind of easy. You look at something that's already there and you just copy it, and it should work. So we'll do a quick check. First of all, does that field exist? And we'll close. Right. Let's format that, make that look nice. So we want to copy that value and replace this value. So we're saying if there is a swimming pool field with a value set, then display it. If not, don't bother displaying it. So I'm going to save that. We're going to upload it to our FTP server, and now we're going to see for SP0050 the value 1 and the text swimming pools on our theme. So I'm just going to refresh this page. I'm going to purge it from the cache because we use a caching plugin. It's already pre-built the page, and since I made this modification to the theme essentially, then I want to rebuild the page. So let's see. And as you can see here, okay, the formatting is not great, but we can output any value we want anywhere in the theme. So I can go to inside. Let's look inside the property itself. So this is editing the actual property. And we'll see here, we've got another meta here. Also, I've just for demonstration purposes, this year built, I've put it here just so you can see that you can put it anywhere. It doesn't have to be in the metas. So that would be in a different file. That's in the property content, I think it's called, property content, and it just echoes out year built with a little dash before it, as you see on the web page. As you see on the web page, dash year built 2006. So this is super flexible. If you've got your own website, or if you're a developer, this is going to make your life so easy. You don't have to wait until the developers in Inspiry Themes create a new field. Maybe you've got some field that they'll never add. This is perfect for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to hear your comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.